Hey guys, I'm Vevek Mantri, your numerologist. I'm sure you must have gone through my earlier videos. And if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please go and hit the subscribe button as there are many videos which are coming up down the line. Today we'll be discussing specifically about number 24, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Imagine a situation where you are going in the medicine shop. On the counter, you buy some medicine and you plan to give the same medicine to your entire family members. Probably it might not work for some family members and probably it will work. Same is the situation with number 24. I have seen people who are writing number 24 on their hand, on the wall, and everywhere where they want. Of course, no doubt, 24 is a good number, but it can't be a good number for everyone the way the medicine can't be used for the same medicine can't be used for everyone. So guys, what is that which is stopping? Suppose if your birth number is say 3, 12, 21, or 30, it can give you ill effects in terms of health, wealth, relationship. Also, it depends upon your age, in what age you are using this particular number 24. The way medicine has to be used. You can't give the medicine at all the age. You can't give the same medicine to every person. It has its own formula. Similarly, number 24 also has to be given at the right age, or else it shows its own effects. And it's not only about number 24, but it's applicable to all the numbers. Every number has its own impact. Every number shows its positives and negative effects depending upon your age, depending upon how exactly your lifestyle is. So to know more about how exactly you should use any number, stay tuned to my upcoming workshop, which is happening very soon. Anytime when you are watching this video, you can always go to the description link and you will find the new workshop which is happening, where you will learn how to use any compound number to make your life better. You will be able to learn it. You will be able to learn which compound number should be given to which date, which birth date, and at what age, as every number makes a difference. So guys, stay tuned and see the new upcoming workshops in the below link, and you'll be able to create a difference in your life. Let us create a difference in our life, and it will help you to make your life better in terms of health, wealth, relationship, no matter what. Thank you, guys. Thank you.